Hey guys, just a really quick video. This is super important for everybody to watch, and it's really simple. It doesn't matter what make or model you've got. Not all vehicles you can do this, but the ones you can, you should do it every oil change. If you want to understand more, you need to watch other videos. This is checking the oil pickup, and the reason I want to show you this one is we've done the injectors on this vehicle, so we know that the seats aren't leaking and it's all good. But so you take a look up there, right? What you're doing is you're trying to look at that oil pickup screen. See up there, the shiny? But see, I don't know if you'd be able to see it in the video or not. I'm going to move around till hopefully I can see the spot that I saw. See that black glob in the middle there? And you go, oh no, I got my seats leaking. I pull the injectors out. Oh no. No, that's where you just got to settle down, because what can happen, you can have other little bits of debris in the engine. And I'm not saying what that is yet, because I got excited and started the camera before I had a good look up there, but you can see there's a couple of things next to each other. Bit of old silicone, or a bit of this, or a bit of whatever, you know what I mean? You do get this on new vehicles, whatever vehicles, it doesn't matter. So if you want, you can stick your pickup there and you know, sort of just pick that off the pickup there and make sure it's clean. But the key is that you see the rest of it's shiny like that, right? Nice and shiny like that. So it's not black and carbonized, if you know what I mean. So if it's going all black and carbony stuff, like, you know, that's different to, there's a little bit of debris, a bit of RTV silicone or something sitting there. I'm getting up there as close as I can, trying to show you so you can see what it is, but it's a bit of nothing. It's nothing to worry about. So there you go. As promised, a quick video, and really important, because I don't want you panicking, pulling your injectors out, replacing your injectors, creating all this work and risking contamination at the fuel pipes. And that's what it is. If you go, oh no, and then you pull the bash plates off, you're going to pull the sump off, you're going to do, oh, and there's nothing in there to see. That's probably what you do before you pull your injectors out anyway. So you need to understand it. So if you want to know more, please go and watch our playlist called Injector Information under our channel, FOURBY4DIESEL. Thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't already, maybe now's a good time to give us a thumbs up for saving your engine, and subscribe, turn the bell on. Thanks for watching. See ya.